Good morning, folks. Glad to see you. Today is Sunday. It's the first day of our week here on Tenerife, and I will show you some interesting spots on this island, and I will share with you some filmmaking tips that you maybe can use on your next trip. We are lucky to have this nice apartment right by the sea, and behind this fence there's a steep cliff, a drop off of about 200 meters down to sea level. The weather changes here every few kilometers. In San Juan there's a farmer's market every Sunday. This is a potato, a small potato. It's a specialty of the Canary Islands. It's called papas negras, which means black potatoes. Let's buy some. Later I show you how they are cooked. Some foods I've never seen before. Oh, they look dirty and shriveled. Okay, let's cook our potatoes. First step is to cook them well. And there's very little water left in the pot. And now comes the trick. We put in about a spoonful of salt, shake it a bit. Now the water is cooking off, it's vaporizing. Ready, water is gone. There's a thin film of salt on the potatoes. Voila! Papas arrugadas. This is a mojo rojo, the spicy sauce which is served with the potatoes. Oh, very tasty. Que aproveche. But maybe you don't feel like cooking. If you are hungry, you can eat at your hotel, like all tourists do. Or you can go where the locals go, like this bar or restaurant. They only have 2 or 3 dishes on their menu, and the prices are really cheap. The quality is good. You have to draw a number and wait to be seated. Gracias. This is how it looks. Today we are heading for a lost place, the Hotel Añaza near Santa Cruz. This ruin was intended to be a hotel. Construction started in the 1970s of the last century, but then the company ran out of money and they stopped constructing it. The thing is almost 30 stories tall and made of concrete, but it's pretty rotten due to the humidity and the salty air which have destroyed it in the last 50 years. So it's pretty dangerous to go inside. But anyway, let's take a look. It's getting darker and darker the more you intrude into the building. This is the lowest level. It It looks like it was meant to be a garage or a supply entrance. You better watch your step. Actually, some people died in exploring the building in the past years. I'm not the only visitor today. Tonight we go to Mount Teide and do some Milky Way time lapse. The sun goes down at 7:30 p.m. and the Milky Way stays visible until the moon rises at 10 p.m. I'm here at the caldera of Mount Teide at an altitude of 2,000 meters. It's cold, it's about 10 degrees Celsius. It's an amazing view. The sunset behind Mount Teide. I show you. Okay, I show you my time-lapse setup for Milky Way time-lapse. This could be a nice spot. This is my time-lapse setup. It's a Sony a7 III on a SERP pan motor, which will pan it during the time-lapse. I got a 14mm lens on it with f2.8. And on the hot shoe there's a flash release transmitter, which releases my flash. The flash lights up the foreground, lights the foreground, and this is the result. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the section down below. If you want to be informed when the next video comes out, hit the subscribe button, smash it if you are into it. I always wanted to say that. Thanks for watching and see you next time.